Hello everyone, welcome to my RV Little Kitchen Cookout. I love cooking and this is my version of menu, hamburger meat with potato and tomato sauce. Chop them up like that. I don't have a green today, but I'll just cook what I got. Now preheat the oil. When it's hot, fry the garlic and onion to smell good. It adds a flavor to the meat. Add the hamburger meat, fry them up, and mix them well till it's golden brown. Just like that. And I sprinkle salt and pepper and a teaspoon of soy sauce for taste. I add up the cubes, potato cubes, mix them well cook them till it's tender, and then I add up the tomato sauce to make it taste better. Look, looks good now. I have a bowl of rice with Tabasco over, and I sprinkle it to make it a little spice, add some flavor. There you go, guys. It looks yummy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.